Wow, this looks so cool. Super Mario World is one of the best games to play on a virtual screen. The reason is that when running on the original aspect ratio of 87, the image looks small with large borders on the side, even on big monitors. On a virtual screen, this isn't a problem because I can scale it to any size I want. But I wouldn't be satisfied with just playing on a big screen. I want to envision what can be done in a virtual environment. So I jumped into the game to spark some ideas. This is one of the games I've played the most in my life. I probably know 90% of the levels by heart. But playing again on a virtual screen, it's fascinating. It brings a fresh experience, even though I've been playing it for over 30 years. After playing through the first few levels, I reached the first castle, and that's when I had an idea. When a huge pillar slams into the ground, the screen shakes. So why not make the entire virtual screen literally shake? Since that's possible in a virtual environment, I went directly to Unreal to see how it would look. I really like the fact it doesn't change the gameplay. In fact, it's quite subtle when seeing VR. It's an interesting detail, but while rewatching the same scene over and over to get the screen moved just right, I had another idea regarding the pillar. In this scene, the pillar is the main obstacle, but it's just one or there are several? I start imagining as one single entity and how that could be visualized in virtual space. I loved seeing parts of the game spill out of the screen, which led to a bigger question. What if I could see the whole stage at once, instead of being limited to the screen view? How would that look? As cool as it looked, showing the whole stage at once was a bit overkill, so I implemented a logic to determine in real time, using the distance between my hands, how much of the stage is visible beyond the screen. I discovered that stretching the view just to the edge of my field of view was the best option. If you made this far and like the idea of using retro games to simulate what the future of spatial game could look like, don't forget to hit the like button. Seeing these all come together has me buzzing with new ideas, so stay tuned to the channel for more. I truly appreciate the time you spent watching this. Until next time.